but you're right, its primary value may not be in a courtroom. Imagine it playing on the evening news or before the State Judicial Conduct Board. Thorne collapsed into his chair, the fight leaving him. What do you want? He whispered. I want you to resign today, and I want you to testify before a special investigator about the kickback scheme with the private probation company and the sentencing quotas you used to justify funding for your pet projects. His head snapped up. How could you possibly know about that? Evelyn allowed herself a thin, cold smile. Did you think I came here on a whim? Your corruption has a paper trail, Alexander. My investigators have been following it for months. As if on cue, there was a firm knock on the chamber door. It opened without waiting for an answer. Two state investigators in suits stood there, accompanied by a uniformed officer from the state patrol. Judge Alexander Thorne, the lead investigator, said, "We have a warrant for your arrest on charges of bribery, conspiracy, and deprivation of rights under color of law. You need to come with us." Thorne looked from the investigators to Evelyn, his eyes pleading for a mercy he had never shown. Evelyn met his gaze without a flicker of emotion. "It's time to go, Judge." The perp walk through the courthouse lobby was a spectacle of poetic justice. Thorne, in handcuffs, head bowed, was led past the very people he had tyrannized. Evelyn walked a few steps behind, a silent, powerful witness. In the center of the rotunda, she stopped and addressed the stunned crowd. "My name is Justice Evelyn Reed," she announced, her voice resonating in the sudden silence. "For years, this man has treated this courthouse as his personal fiefdom. That ends today. An audit of every case he has touched in the past 5 years will begin immediately. If you have been wronged here, you will have a chance to be heard." The aftermath was a tidal wave. Thorne's arrest unraveled a network that included a corrupt county commissioner and the head of the probation company. But Evelyn was not finished. Using her influence, she pushed for the creation of a community restitution fund financed by the seized assets of the conspirators. The vacant lot at the center of her pretend case became the site of a new community legal aid center, named not for her, but for the principles she fought for. 1 year later, Evelyn returned to Clayton County to dedicate the center. Her cousin Marcus and his son Jamal stood beside her. Jamal, his record expunged, was now applying to college. "You didn't just help us, Auntie," he said. "You changed everything." "No," Evelyn corrected softly, looking at the crowd of hopeful faces. "I just removed a roadblock. The community changed itself." As her car pulled away, she saw the new young judge presiding over traffic court, treating each person with weary patience. She nodded to herself. The lesson had been learned. True authority isn't about the fear you command, it's about the fairness you protect. If you believe in accountability and second chances, show your support. Like this video and subscribe to Unbound Stories SR for more powerful narratives